Today, I would like to show you how to make Salt Koji or Koji in Japanese. Today, I'm using dried brown rice koji, salt and water. That's all. There are several types of rice koji available, loose type like these, bit of a crumbly one, and solid type. All rice koji works the same, so don't panic if shops sell only one particular type. I just like to use brown rice koji because it contains more nutrients. I also like loose rice koji, which is really easy to use compared to this block one, which I had to break down myself. So let's start. First, put the koji into a container, then salt. I use Celtic sea salt for extra minerals. Mix the koji and rice very well. It is better to check if there are any lumps of salt before you mix. I should have done it before mixing it. You can simply mix a bowl, then transfer to a container, but I'm lazy and hate washing up, so instead I put it in a container and shake very well. Once it is mixed very well, add the water, just enough to cover the koji mixture. And mix well. That's it! How easy is that? To finish, put the lid on and leave it in room temperature. Don't forget to mix once a day and add water if the surface is not covered with water. I highly recommend it to mix every day to ferment evenly. To fully ferment, it takes a week in summer, about 2 weeks in spring and autumn, and 3 weeks in winter. Here's the second day salt koji. As you can see, there is no water on the surface. It has been nearly absorbed. I'm going to add more water and mix. Here is a week later one. As you can see, the water is not clear and the rice is soft. I actually forgot to mix it for a couple days, and that is why it is not as mushy. If you mix every day, it will be mushier and fermented completely. Once it's made, put it in the refrigerator and use up in 6 months.